Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day I will be looking at the pound yen, right? There is a very interesting configuration on the 4-hour chart for the pound yen, so thought I should point that out to you guys. Now what I have here is the 4-hour chart. Okay, at first glance it might seem like it's just price is really pushing on the uptrend, right? However, I just want to point out that in technical analysis, there is always a chance that history might repeat itself. Now, we look back in November, right, at the start of November, and we see that pound yen actually pushed all the way up, and it sort of just drifted higher, right, before tanking back down. And now we're seeing the same thing, pound yen pushing all the way up again, and then drifting higher yet again. So we can expect, right, that history might repeat itself and price might tank back down. Okay, so if this is a bit hard to see, you can actually switch it to line chart, and you'll be able to see that price went up, came back down, went up, came back down, second time went up, and then it tanked. Same thing, price goes up, comes back down, price goes up one more time, comes back down the second time, now it's up and it should tank. Okay. Back to candles, we also see that price really is testing sort of a graphical swing high, right? At this level over here, right? If we were to take the closing prices, it's really price reacting right at that exact level. Okay, so we have the resistance. All right, now let's quickly go down to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, this is what we see. We see price actually already reversing from the top, right? we can actually see that this recent swing low can be our intraday target. Okay, so we can expect price to come back down just like in previous history. Okay, at the same time, all right, we can use a Fibonacci retracement of the last swing low to high. All right, this completed movement, sorry, and open off Fibonacci ratio, and we see that the 61.8. Okay, price could come down to the first target at the 50%. Not so much the 61.8, but the 50%. Because the 50% is a strong level where support turn resistance and could switch to become support again. Right, let me just draw that level in. Right, there is a level over here. Okay, and I'm going to highlight the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. Okay, and in line chart, we see that this price actually tested this area as a support, broke below, came back up, tested it as resistance, broke above, price should come back down to test it as support one more time before making a push lower. All right, so we have our two intraday take profit. This is the first take profit. This will be the final intraday take profit. Okay. Now the question is, where do we find the entry, right? The entry, let's just open up the Fibonacci ratio of 23.6. Okay, so basically, more often than not, when price breaks the 23.6 retracement, all right, it serves as a confirmation for price to do a deeper pullback. All right, so this will be the 23.6 will be our sell entry. Okay, with this recent swing high as our stop loss, but I'll back the stop loss a bit higher to give the trade a bit of room to breathe, right, in case there's a random wild spike. So this works out to a very nice risk reward ratio, okay, for pound yen, right, and a very nice intraday trade. Last but not least, we can actually also take a look at indicators such as stochastic, see how price is reacting, right? The momentum, okay, of price. Yeah, I'll use 21 because that's a Fibonacci number, and the fractal nature of Fibonacci actually helps with multiple time frames. So we're seeing that stochastics is actually reversing off resistance as well. Okay, so it's already gone above the overbought region and now it's pulling back down, so we should expect to see a drop in the same vein. Okay, so thanks everyone for tuning in to today's trade of the day. I'm just trying to tidy up this chart so it's easier for you guys to see. All right, wish you guys all the best. Take care, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.